So I graduated in 1976. So it's my first time back since 1976. So it's been a while, and I've been surprised at the enormous development Cardiff has had, and also the growth of the university. So those were both very, very pleasant surprises for me. It is a terrific honor for me to be given this Honorary Fellowship, and it's something I did not expect. And in fact, about 2 years ago, the university contacted me, and I was delighted to accept. But of course, due to COVID, we've not been able to have such a ceremony, so it's a double treat. When I came here in mid-70s, 1970s, I had studied several years in England, and I had found the kind of overall environment in Wales and Cardiff tremendously refreshing, and where really I could not detect the kind of class structure that was so prevalent in England at the time. So that made me open that UK was in fact much more of a multicultural society than I had expected when I lived in England in early 70s. So that made me to see, including people speaking Welsh, for example, and so on, that that this was a multicultural society. And it has affected me in the daily job I do as a diplomat, how to reach out to people with different language, different skills, different culture. So I would say everything I do has really benefited hugely from my stay and my education here in Cardiff and Wales. My advice to graduates of 2022 is that they really should have an open mind. They should have an open mind and experience things, and not to be so set in one path or another, and let that path lead you into something that is fulfilling for you. So I think we all must remember that nothing is written for us. We write it ourselves, and that path will cross many different ways. And so don't be so sad. Don't be so upset if you don't land the job of your dreams as soon as you graduate. But be open to new experiences, to new relationships, and to new surroundings. I really wish all graduates, it is an exciting world out there, it's a big world, and I think the opportunities and experiences that our new graduates, our new young people will see will be second to none. So I wish them good fortune and plenty of luck as they go ahead.